battery light came on in your Camry? Don't panic, let's break it down. If your Toyota Camry's alternator isn't working, you'll probably notice a glowing battery warning light on your dashboard. Maybe your headlights are dim or the radio cuts out. That's your car telling you it's running on battery power alone, and that won't last long. First, pop the hood and find the alternator. It's usually a silver, roundish part with a belt going around it. Make sure your engine is off and the battery is disconnected before you touch anything. Check the belt. If it's loose, frayed, or missing, that's a likely culprit. Tighten or replace it if needed. Next, look at the electrical connections. Loose or corroded wires, clean and reconnect them. Still not charging? Time for a simple alternator test. Reconnect the battery and start the engine. Use a voltmeter on the battery terminals. You should see around 13.5 to 14.5 volts. If it's much lower, your alternator's probably shot. If all signs point to a bad alternator, don't drive the car far. A dead battery can leave you stranded. Replacement alternators aren't as scary as they sound. Just make sure you get the right part for your Camry's year. Bottom line, don't ignore warning lights. Your alternator keeps your car alive. Spot the problem early, and your Toyota Camry will keep rolling reliably for miles to come.